So how much would it be to replace the clock spring for your airbag on a Volkswagen Passat? So this one happens to be a 2015 Volkswagen Passat. Steve and I just finished doing a video on how to replace the clock spring on one of these vehicles. So if you had somebody do it for you, it'd be probably around $400 to $500 to have it done. It's not a really hard job to do. You'll need some basic hand tools, and we just did a video that shows you how to replace the clock spring in one of these vehicles. So what I'll do is at the end of this video, I'll put a link to it so you can check out that video. Take a look at it, watch it, sit back with a beer and some popcorn or something, watch the whole video. And if it's something you feel comfortable doing, you can do it in the driveway of your house or in your garage of your home. And you'd save a few $100 by doing it yourself, as opposed to having the dealer do it. You will need a scan tool and stuff like that to pull the code and erase the code and stuff, but we cover all that in the video. If you guys have any questions, leave a comment and I'll reply back to you. Thanks for checking us out.